What happened to the Neanderthals? Why did a species so close to our own disappear approximately 40,000 years ago? Today, we will explore the possible reasons behind their extinction and how their disappearance has left a legacy that endures to this day. These beings, who lived for hundreds of thousands of years, were incredibly similar to us, Homo sapiens. We share a common ancestor, and in many ways, Neanderthals were highly advanced. They made tools, controlled fire, and had complex societies. About 300,000 years ago, Neanderthals emerged in Europe and Western Asia, adapting to a variety of climates and environments. They were hunter-gatherers and managed to survive several glacial periods, demonstrating their incredible adaptability. However, despite their success for so long, something happened that led to their extinction. One of the most popular theories is due to climate change. About 40,000 years ago, Europe's climate became colder and drier, which may have affected the Neanderthals' food availability and habitats. During the Ice Ages, temperatures dropped drastically and landscapes changed, transforming forests into inhospitable tundras. Neanderthals were adapted to living in forest environments and hunted mainly large animals such as mammoths and woolly rhinoceroses. However, with climate change, many of these animals became extinct or migrated, leaving Neanderthals with fewer food resources. In addition, the vegetation changed and the plants they gathered also became scarce. This transformation of the environment may have significantly affected their ways of life. The changing climate also affected the shelters available to the Neanderthals. With the colder climate, they needed to find places where they could stay warm and protected. Homo sapiens, on the other hand, were more versatile in creating shelters and wearing clothing suitable for extreme conditions, which allowed them to expand and thrive in these new environments. This leads us to the next theory, which suggests that Neanderthals were outcompeted by modern humans, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens arrived in Europe about 45,000 years ago and brought with them more advanced technologies such as more sophisticated bone and stone tools, bows and arrows, and more efficient hunting methods. These technologies not only improved their ability to hunt and gather, but also allowed them to make more efficient clothing and shelters. In addition to tools, Homo sapiens had a more complex social organization. They were better at communicating and cooperating in large groups, which gave them a significant advantage in hunting and gathering food. The ability of Homo sapiens to adapt to different environments and their ability to plan for the long term may have allowed them to thrive where Neanderthals could not. Homo sapiens' network of exchange and trade also provided them with resources from more distant regions, which increased their chances of survival. Genetic studies have also provided interesting information. We know that there was interaction between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens and even hybridization. DNA analysis shows that modern humans outside Africa have between 1% and 2% Neanderthal DNA. This suggests that Neanderthals and Homo sapiens not only coexisted but also interbred. However, the question is, was this interaction beneficial or detrimental to Neanderthals? Another hypothesis posits that Neanderthals may have been vulnerable to diseases brought by Homo sapiens. Infectious diseases to which Neanderthals were not accustomed could have had a devastating impact on their populations. Homo sapiens, who had developed immunities to certain diseases in their migrations, could carry pathogens deadly to Neanderthals. These diseases, combined with the pressure of limited resources, could have been a fatal blow. Competition for resources may also have played a crucial role. As the population of Homo sapiens grew, Neanderthals faced increasing competition for food and territory. Furthermore, we cannot ignore the possibility that catastrophic events may have contributed to the extinction of Neanderthals. For example, the eruption of the supervolcano in what is now Naples, Italy, known as the Campanian Ignimbrite eruption, may have had devastating effects on the climate and environment of Europe, severely affecting Neanderthal populations. Such events would not only have changed the climate, but also destroyed crucial habitats and resources. In short, it is likely that a combination of factors led to the extinction of Neanderthals. Climate change, competition with Homo sapiens, disease, catastrophic events, and other factors intertwined in a complex web that ultimately led to their demise. Each of these factors alone might have been manageable, but together they created an environment unsustainable for their survival. Although Neanderthals no longer walk among us, their legacy lives on to this day. Some of their DNA lives on in U.S. modern humans, reminding us that, at some point, we shared the world with these ancient relatives. Each new archaeological discovery gives us more clues about how they lived and why they disappeared. Now we are left to ponder whether an inevitable extinction awaits us humans. Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. Until next time.